Hello, Coach K community. Today we are going to be doing a quad focused workout. No props needed, just your mat. Roll out that mat and meet me down on your knees. So you're going to come knees right underneath your hips, and then hands are going to go right underneath those shoulders there. You're going to take your left leg and extend that left leg behind you, digging your left toes down into the mat. Now from here, you're gonna bend your left knee in, touch the left toes in. Extend that left leg, touch the left toes back. And again, you bend it on in, extend it away. Think about pressing up and out of those shoulders and close those ribs in. We're gonna go for 5. In 4, we're gonna hold that left leg back. In 3. 2, last one, hold. Now point that left foot, slowly lift it up, slowly lower it down. And again, lift, lower. We're gonna go for 7, 6, in 5, we're gonna switch to the other side, in 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it on in. Left knee comes down to the mat. Now it's gonna be your right toes extend back, pause, hold. Touch the right toes in, touch them out. Touch the right toes in, touch them out. For 8. In 7, we're gonna hold that right leg extended back. In 5. Now just know, if you wanted to make today's class a little bit more spicier, you could always add a resistance band. In 3, 2, bend, extend, hold. Point the right foot, lift it up, lower on down. Don't forget, press away from those shoulders. Get that chin off of that chest. In 5, we're gonna bring it on in. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop that right knee down. You're gonna bring that chest all the way up, so we're in a high kneel here. Shoulders are gonna be stacked right over those hips. Arms are gonna reach nice and long down by the sides of the body. You're gonna push your hips forward, squeeze those glutes together. Slow and controlled, you're gonna hinge back, squeeze from your quads, come all the way up. Now, your butt isn't dropping down towards those heels. My butt is staying pressing forward. Think as if I have my hands literally on that booty and I'm pushing up. You're squeezing in those glutes, squeezing in those thighs. It should feel like your thigh is like pulling apart as you hinge back, and then you're squeezing, pressing back on up. In 5, I'm gonna add some arms here. In 4, 3, 2, 1. So now, as you hinge, arms are gonna reach forward. You come up, drop those arms down. Hinge, reach it forward. Bring it back on up. Nice. We're gonna keep flowing here. Using those quads. For 5, 4, 3, 2. Now take a nice big inhale. Exhale, hinge back, pause, hold. For 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Nice job. You're gonna come to a full stand here for me. We're gonna think hip distance apart to start. We're gonna bring the left foot back. Left toes are only gonna dig into the mat. That left heel is nice and high. So my foot isn't down on the mat. I'm lifting that left heel nice and high. My weight is in the left toes and in my right heel. Keeping your chest up, shoulders stacked over those hips. You're gonna evenly bend both of your knees down, evenly extend back on up. And again, evenly bend it down, evenly come back on up. Beautiful. We're gonna keep flowing through this, bending those knees, extending. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. In 5, we're gonna hold that double knee bend. In 3, Keep that core nice and tight. Go in 2. Take a nice big inhale. Exhale, let's go. Hold. Tell that mind I got this. Tell that mind I can do it, because in 5, you're gonna pulse in 3, 2, 1. Little pulses up and down. Get deeper into that tension. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend it on up. Again, we're gonna go back down, but this time pause. You're gonna raise your right heel. Lower that right heel, stand back on up. We bend. Lift that right heel. Drop that heel, come back on up. Don't forget about that chest. Bring that chest up. In order to get this in your quads, you have to have those shoulders stacked over those hips. In a 5, we're gonna hold that double knee bend and hold that right heel lifted. In 4, go in 3, we got 2, take a nice big inhale, exhale, hold it down, raise that right heel. Now continue that right heel raise for 8. In 7, you're gonna hold that right heel nice and high. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gonna burn, but you got this. Let's go. Pulse it up and down. Get deeper. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That burned. Shake it on out. I'm gonna turn and face you guys. We're gonna do what's called a plie here. So we're gonna bring those heels together, toes out wide. You're making a V shape with your feet here. You can keep your feet down or meet me in a releve. You're gonna bring your heels together, keep those toes out wide. Now, you're keeping your butt tucked under just like the warm-up. I'm gonna turn back to the side just so you guys can watch my hips. So from here, shoulders stacked over those hips. Close your ribs in. You're gonna push your knees out to the sides without pushing your butt back. Squeeze and resist back on up. And again, knees go out. Keep that butt under. Slowly resist it back on up. Beautiful. Let's keep flowing. Use those quads. Resist slowly. In 5, we're gonna hold that double knee bend. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold to there, pause. In 5, we're gonna pulse it up and down. In 3, 2, 1. Little ups and downs. Get deeper into that tension. Woo! Feeling that burn in those pulses. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shake it on out. Let's do the left side. Left foot's gonna stay right underneath your hip. Right toes are gonna reach nice and long behind you. Don't be afraid to lift that right heel. Shoulders stacked over those hips. Torso nice and long. Evenly bend down into both knees. Evenly extend back on up. And again, evenly bend down. Extend it on up. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. In a 5, we're gonna hold that double knee bend. In 3, 2, 1, hold it there. In 5, you're gonna pulse it up and down. In 3, 2, 1, little ups and downs. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, extend it on up. We're gonna add that heel raise. You're gonna bend your knees, pause. Raise that left heel. Lower that heel, stand it back on up. You got it, let's go. Bend those knees. Lift that heel. Lower, stand back on up. Inhale, exhale. Let's not hold that breath today. Breathe through it. In 5, we're gonna hold that double knee bend and then continue that left heel raise. In 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Continue that left heel up and down. In 5, you're gonna hold that left heel nice and high. In 4, we're gonna pulse it up and down. In 3, 2, 1. Hold, pulse it up and down. Bring that chest up. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Shake it on out. Meet me down on your mat. We're gonna take a seat. Legs are gonna extend nice and long out in front. You're gonna bend your right knee in. Right foot is flat on your mat. Hands are gonna support you down to the sides. We're not sinking into our shoulders though. We're pressing up and out. You're gonna flex that left foot, slow and controlled. Lift that left leg up, lower back on down. Now you're not using your hip flexor here. We're still thinking front of that thigh as you lift and lower. In 4, we're gonna hold it up in 3, 2, 1. Hold. Now whichever way the mind tells you to go first, create little circles. In 5, we're gonna reverse. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Bring it on down. Left knee's gonna bend. Right leg extends out. Flex that right toes up. You're gonna lift the right leg, lower the leg. You lift and lower. Again, don't pull from that hip. Make sure you're pulling from the front of your thigh. In 5, we're gonna hold it up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Whichever way the mind tells you go first, create little circles. In 4, we're going to reverse. In 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Bring it on down. From here, go ahead and lay onto the left side of your body. You're going to bend that right knee so that right heel is pulling towards your right glute. Grab the foot, lightly pull back to get that quad stretch there. And we're gonna hold here for 10. Now, if you felt that burn with me today, or you enjoyed today's workout, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments. In 5, we'll switch to the other side. In 3, 2, 1. Extend that right leg. Let's go and switch to the other side. Sit onto your right hip. Bend that left knee. Pull that heel towards that glute. Lightly pull back. Hold. For 5, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Bring your feet together, knees go out wide. Bring the hands to the ankles. Push your knees down, fold forward. Hold the butterfly for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can stay in the butterfly or crisscross those legs. Bring the hands to the stomach, close those eyes, roll your shoulders back and down. Take a lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise, let it fill with all of that air. Exhale everything out, thanking that body for all the hard work it did today. For 3, 2, 1. You did awesome today. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.